Hi guys, and this is Grace again, and welcome back again to my channel, Grace on Pit Vlog. So this afternoon we're going to the cemetery. We're gonna leaving soon. I'm just waiting for my family and cousins to get ready. So we are ready here. So we'll be leaving around 3 p.m. It's already 2:50 in the afternoon.
That's 2:49.
2:49. So Virgil is there. So my husband.
Sorry, Virgil.
So it be hot day. Hot, super hot. As you can see.
Okay, Ra?
Okay. Not okay.
Nice.
And
Nice.
yeah, I'm gonna show you what my relative doing here. Virgil, the bag lang ga. I not lock the door yet, baby. I not lock the door yet.
You gonna lock it?
Yeah, I be back there, okay?
You want me to lock it?
I can lock it. So Willie is is doing putting the blocks there for the van. So I'm gonna show you what he's doing right now. So that's what he's doing. He's putting that blocks. So he gonna put paint on it. Unsa man ay color ana Willie?
Dalag og itom.
Asa mang dalag babaw?
Dalagan ra tanan na bagisa na itom. Ito nang panako rin. Makabit itong ukab na.
He's helping us a lot.
Yellow and black.
Yellow and black.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Make it
he's
look nice.
helping us a lot here.
Ito na yung
Niya arang bayad iniglunis ha. So the payment will be on Monday because no extra money this time.
Can I borrow? No?
No.
I can't borrow? I'm going to borrow your money.
We not own the light, right? Because the solar will be automatic.
Yeah.
Did you switch to the main grid?
No.
Why? Maybe it will be have thunder later. So I'm here at the back right now. I'm worried but it be lightning and thunder, baby. I just want my husband to put in the main grid because maybe later tonight be thunder and lightning. It will kill our inverter. Because we're planning also after we go to the cemetery, we're gonna go to San Carlos because Virgil wants to go to the carnival. This coming November 5 and 4 is the fiesta in San Carlos, so they have carnival there. So Virgil will be enjoying.
Abi na ko karon.
Yeah, this time they have already carnival.
Gan.
And
We gonna go now. There in
yeah,
night.
after we go to the cemetery, we go San Carlos. Yeah, are you happy? Ha?
Tasan mo.
Kutasan ka. Kutasan ka.
Isang
Sakay ka?
kuan na.
Hmm?
Na, dali ka.
Virgil is been sick lately. He still have that breathing problem and he can't do too much exercise. Kutasan Pia will go with us too.
When I try there, Mamba, there looks like flame so many.
There's a flame in your lungs. There's a flame in your lungs. Yeah. Because he's still taking his medication.
Sit in the back.
Yeah, where?
Here ba? Flame.
Flame here at the back. He have some flame at the back at his back. And in his lungs.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, that's heart. That's cheese. Over here, the lungs. Here, lungs. Si Pia. Oh, Pia! Kuyog ta! Ginawad ako si Willie. Di ba bumaad to?
Style ba kung motor gan?
Race, di bang na po masulo dire? Wala pa nun silang bayan og ramsip. Kuyog tamo niya.
Ando
So?
kami sa carnival.
Dili ko gra, di
Kaya
ko
mag-Ferris wheel.
kuyo ka na eh. Sakay ko dere, kuyo.
Mami, koyog. Sipe sa carnival.
Hmm.
Hello. Mag-ride.
I'm waiting for my cousins and sisters, my mom. So as you can see, it's super hot today.
Mami, what time?
That's why we are going afternoon, because it be hot in the morning or in after breakfast. It's so hot in here. So I'm not complaining, because you know we are using solar. It's
It's
very
summer.
helping for us.
In Philippines, it's always summer.
Yeah, in Philippines it's always summer, right? No winter, no snow.
No.
Virgin is talkative. What did you bring? Water and snacks. You have a snacks bag here. No? Show them what did you got in that inside.
No.
Huh?
No.
No? I'm gonna check daddy here, okay? Where's daddy? I'm gonna check my husband here. Tanama! Is it okay? Baby?
Hmm?
Is it okay?
Yeah. I'm just checking something out here.
Okay. Just checking something there on the battery. I make sure I off all the appliances. Because it be late. It be late tonight. We're gonna go back home here. So I'll see you guys when we arrive there in the cemetery, or when we are on the way there. So stay tuned, guys. So we're living in the jungle right now.
Yeah, we're living in the jungle.
We're leaving and we are fully loaded. Got that? We're fully loaded. That's what I want to change you. I want to change to the main grid, because I hear the thunder there.
It's a good thing too. Get a chance to balance the batteries out. They're fully charged. That's why I was looking at it.
Yeah.
Seeing how many watts that deep freeze and base of Wi-Fi is pulling.
I don't want to kill the inverter, but like last time that the lightning killed it, the old inverter.
Yeah.
Because mostly here in our place, it's always rain every night, so it's better. We're off the solar for now.
Well, you know, the roof now, with those metal posts that we put in the ground,
Yeah,
should be grounded.
so it
Should
should.
be safer
Okay.
than it was when we was using wood.
Because before we used wood, right?
Yeah. Now it's grounded through those posts. Well, they're underground several feet.
Yeah. Look at the lizard. Is he dead? Huh?
Oh, he's alive.
Lizard. There, in the windshield.
He's going back to Randy's. He's going to go visit.
You're gonna go with us.
He's going to go visit.
Oh, he's
his
alive. He's moving.
I'm going to visit his relatives.
Puot yung uda mingga. Samoy. Uy, lawas ba? Wala na pa space sa uda. Wala na space. Ade, pagkal ko na pista ka. Did I say it correctly? Carnival, right? Carnival. The one in San Carlos, they have that carnival. Is that carnival?
Yeah, carnival. Yeah.
Yeah, carnival. Maybe I speak it.
So yours is a little slang compared to what I'm used to hearing it. Of course, I'm slang too, so you're probably saying it more correct than I am.
It should be a long video because I'm gonna do some vlog there in San Carlos also. So mostly our neighbors went to the cemetery this morning because I've seen them pass by in our house. So lots of them going already. There's some of them over there or on the way home. They've been to that cemetery because normally we go to November 1, but yesterday we've been so busy, so we just go today, November 2, because today is the All Souls Day, yesterday is the All Saints Day, so it's better today. So lots of people already went there. So the habal-habal will be happy today because they earn lots of money, right? I'm shocked that Willie not been today. Do his habal-habal. Habal-habal is the one motorcycle. They've been transportation here, especially in the province. We call it habal-habal. People ride in the motorbike, then they gonna pay, I think 30 pesos, baby, from Bagawinis to here. But Willie told me it's about 50 pesos now from here to the cemetery.
Yeah, that'd be about fair because I mean, price of gasoline.
Yeah, the price of gasoline is increasing and they needs to increase the...
Even on a motor around trip, they're looking at a liter, which is 70 pesos. So if they only charge 30, they lost 10 pesos.
Yeah, so they charge more now than before because the price of the gasoline is increasing.
Plus, you know, they got to maintain those motors too.
Yeah, the motor maintenance too. They needs to have extra money for that. Especially the road here is very rough, right?
Yeah.
They need to maintain all the time their motorcycle maintenance. You know, the maintenance is expensive, even though it's motorcycle, but it's expensive.
Yeah.
Especially if you don't have work, regular work.
Let's see. A lot of things people don't think about, you know, these are chain driven, the motors are. And this dusty road, it eats away at them.
Yeah.
So things like that has to be replaced or it don't go. The air filters, they clean them, but they got to replace those if they don't.
Ma, ang kandila, ma. Sorry, excuse me. Ang kandila, ma.
Nalimot puro.
Kalimot ka ba? I asked my mama if she brought the candle.
Oh.
Because I bought 200 pesos candle worth of candle, 2 pesos each, so I have 100 pieces. But my grandma used it some last night when we prayed there. We'll just take our time because we are fully loaded and there's a lots of big stones.
I don't want to bump the rears.
Yeah, don't want to bump the rear because that's where the lower part, right? The lower.
I didn't want to drag your rear.
You not what? You not want to drag my rear?
On that rough road.
I'm in front, not in rear. So I see you guys in a few minutes, so stay tuned. So we're almost there in the cemetery. So as you can see, the side of the road, you have a lots of people right now, even though it's afternoon already, but it's a lots of people. Look, as you can see, oh, lots of vehicles in the road, traffic. Just take your time here because there's a lots of people there in the road. I don't know if you can stop there near in the cemetery. It's many people. Some of them prefer to go afternoon because it's much cooler.
Yeah.
Careful.
Mommy, why is so many people?
Yeah, because it's also day, so lots of people. And they have a lots of stuff there for sale. Some kids toy, clothes, ukay-ukay, bargain clothes. So this is how we celebrate our All Souls Day. Most of the people go here in the cemetery to visit their loved ones.
I'll let you out right here somewhere.
I don't know if you can stop it here.
I should be able to let you out.
Ah, okay.
Because that's the entrance right behind me.
So we're already here and walking inside in the cemetery. My husband be waiting there in La Playa because he can park here because lots of vehicles. So he just go there in La Playa, wait for us. Lots of people. As you can see, fully loaded. Snacks. In and out. Una rito siya sa cross nga dako. Cross nga dako. Saman. Pamisa? Napa diha. So we are here. So lots of candle. Kagira ka be, kanyo. It's very tight in here. You need to walk sideways. My gosh. It's very tight in here. You don't have a way, but you need to make your own way. You need to find your own way. Because it's really hard. Look at that. Gimme, agi. This is the public cemetery here in our place. We're just... They don't have... It's a lot of people buried here. So there's no way. I mean, you just step some of it because it's hard to walk here. So here's my Lulu here. Here's our grandpa here. Virgil! Na, hi Lulu! So this is where they buried my Lulu, my grandpa. This is the husband of my grandma. Asa mong kandila? Kandila ma?
Mommy, this is ours.
That's Lula's candle there. From this morning, my grandma is already here this morning, and also my uncle, they already here this morning. They came early because we're not exact in the van, but so they're just come here first this morning. So that's their candle left there. Wata ka palit og bulak, no? Maybe, Pasporo.
Be, daghan
Here,
na.
light this one.
Sige,
Parangkot mo. Panguan sabi. Kalo sa kayo. Init. Na, hi, Lolo. Be, kuha ni drums.
Oh, Jin. 5-5. Sabi
So,
Murot na noon, ma.
Lalo, naamilo, nakot din mo.
May posporo na.
Dahil may lawa.
Ato dito, Be. Kitago dito, Be. Kay ilandong, Be. Pikas. Sulod dito.
Ulo sa sin, ha?
Careful.
Init man dyan.
So, we are mainly here. Oh, say hi, guys. Ina Jill, Nalolo. Musta na kalo? My Virgil is so funny ba? He's telling my grandpa, are you alive, grandpa? Are you? Pray. Na please. Hi grandpa, how are you na? We miss you. We miss you, Lulu. I hope you're okay there, wherever you are.
Mami,
We miss you and we love you.
is a spirit na.
Yeah, Lulu is a spirit now. He's watching with us. So, we're just finished visiting our loved ones. So, we're on the way go out now. In the cemetery. So, lots of people this time, as you can see. So, people.
Puro jacket.
There's no air inside here too. Virgil, wait, Virgil. Virgil, wait, Virgil.
Oh, siya na gamay.
Pare, lighter. Oh, lang, bakudus lang. Tubig. Oh, bakudus.
So this is the public cemetery here in our place, or in Bagawinis. So this is how crowded it is in Ossos Day, November 2. So we just left La Playa Beach Resort. We're on the way now to San Carlos City. It's already 4 p.m.
The little electric vehicles there, that's one of the newer models.
Where for the day?
That's nice.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
It's 2 passenger at the back. That's an electric motorcycle there in front of us. So busy.
Oh, the red truck pulled out. He's not going nowhere.
Yeah. What happened? There's GNT today, delivery. That red truck there in front of us, I don't know what happened. He's not going somewhere. He's very slow. Maybe there's problem. The truck.
I say more problem with the driver.
Maybe he's a new driver. Maybe lady driver.
Maybe.
Still practicing. She's still practicing. Look at your back when you overtake. Look at your back, baby. It's very busy, the road. Lots of vehicles going to cemetery back and forth.
This little truck moving faster than I thought they'd drive.
Yeah. Look behind you, huh? So lots of people in the cemetery. I'm glad that we go there afternoon, because even though it's afternoon, it's still very hot there. No wind.
Yeah. I figured that. Just take your time here. This is where the cemetery is. There's lots of people. You need to horn, daddy, horn. Don't scare to use your horn, because can't believe that she let her son beside the road. Yeah, walk out of traffic.
It's really scared. This is where the cemetery is. That's why it's very crowded here, the road. So we are here right now at San Carlos City, and we're on the way to the Center Mall. My husband gonna eat some dinner there in Mr. C, while we just eat some dinner there in the barbecue store there in Center Mall. Then my husband will gonna wait us there in the Mr. C. We're gonna eat some dinner there in Mr. C. So it's 5 p.m. So the carnival will be open around 6 p.m. I think. So we'll just wait there and just have some quality time there in the Center Mall. It's busy. So Fiesta here will be this coming November 4 and 5. So we just come this afternoon because it's not been busy because in Fiesta it be very busy. Careful that there's motorcycle they're coming. Careful. We can see the sunset from here.
Parking motorcycles so crazy. They couldn't have much point.
Motorcycle only. Motorcycle, no enter bicycle. Careful, Daddy.
What?
You're close to that motor. Scared me.
I'm just going to run over it
No.
and get it out of the way.
Look at the sunset, guys. Look at that. It's beautiful. The way they park here is very
Crazy.
crazy. Look at the sunset. It's nice, huh, the sunset. So we're just here.
Ibili lang na demire.
And, well, ayan, tubig. Palihog.
Tubig lang.
So we're just let my husband eat there in Mr. C while waiting for us. Nice, Kensan.
Diya may nagtangkoy.
Someone.
Diya ka na naikuhan kita.
So Virgil is enjoying the slides and Pia. Excuse. My husband is already there. I already ordered him some burger. He wants me to order because some of the waiter can't understand what he said. So I just the one who ordered his burger and fries. Virgil is enjoying the Virgil, slow down, ha?
Ayun naman ka nagkalawa ko. May paawit na ate. O, kamamupi. Second. Ang bagong pinapadali. Hindi naman na-challenge ko na.
Che, let's walk there. Let's walk over there. Let's walk there lang da. Wait. Wala man na-open road ang carnival.
Gani.
Just, hala, mag-picture ta sa sunset. Hala, picture ta sunset.
Asa di ay ang carnival?
Taga to papa, oh.
Ano na akong tiang?
Ali ba? Malen! Malen!
The sunset is nice here. So we're just having some quality time here. This is a soccer field here. It's big area for the kids playing soccer. So lots of people right now here. They're enjoying their selfie time, picture time. We're just having some quality time before they go back to Cebu City. Virgil and Pia is enjoying each other, as you can see. Virgil, are you enjoying?
No, not yet.
Wipe your face. Wipe your face. Drink water. Oh, saan na? Thirsty?
Nahulog ko ng panyo.
Put your back lang kaya. Put it at your back. Asan to ilang barbecue? We're gonna eat some barbecue. Usara ta katukog. We're gonna eat some barbecue. They said that their barbecue here is 30 pesos each. What?
That car ba? Small car, Mom!
So we are here. It's already 6:30 in the evening. And we're gonna go inside in the carnival or the... Ano sa ito? Trade? Sa ito? Fair trade? Sa ito? Car trade. Car trade. We're already eating dinner. And we're shocked about the price because we not expect that kind of amount that we paid almost $50 for the foods. We're shocked because it's only just a barbecue, but we're not expecting that kind of price. It's expensive for the foods. And they are here right now. That's the carnival there. That's the Ferris wheel. That's the Ferris wheel there. So my husband right now, he's there in the Mr. C, waiting for us. He just eat his dinner. They're enjoying. Look at the people there. Wala mong group na entrance min gano, pero kala pila entrance. Where I think they have some entrance fee. So we are here inside the carnival, and the entrance fee is 20 pesos, and we are 10 people. So I paid 200 pesos. Look at that. Hi sa mo guys. Hi sa ba? And I'm gonna show you now what's inside here. Oh, ayaw na. Virgil is here. So wait sa Jill. Virgil, say hi sa Bing. Virgil. Hi sa. Hi guys sa. So right now we are here. We have a lot there. Oh, okay, sakay ka na. Yan na si auntie mo, kuyog ni mo. Asa man? Ferris wheel.
Wala mo na kaya na, Mama. Wala
na ni-operate. Say mga, ayaw raan ang mga kuan kay.
Ano lang, babata.
Aribi, oh. We have a lot here that you can ride. It's the one. It's for kids here. They have that horror train there. Ayaw ng horror. Oy, wala mo na ito. Horror ba? Viking dito. Viking. They have a lot here that you can ride over. Unsay mong sakyan lang ga, Virgie ka na? You want that elephant? Elephant? You want try the elephant? You want try that? Ikaw piya? Nyari ka sa una, paglas, nyari ka wala. Pila entrance? 50? Duhan ya.
100.
Virgil, we're gonna ride and Pia, this elephant. Kuha sabi ong, guniti sabi. Virgil, hold my phone, Sarangga, hold my phone. Hold my phone. Show to them. Show to them ba?
Kani? Ticket?
Yeah, that's my ticket.
That's my ticket.
We're gonna ride. Ipakuan ng kuan, Luminga. Virgil, we're gonna go inside here. Ang entrance bin, narang pikas, nas pikas ang kuan, ay dara. Ara. Nataw na. They're gonna go inside and gonna ride her. And there's Virgil and Pia. They're enjoying each other there, riding that elephant. Okay raman sakay mo. Tag 50. It's 50 pesos per head on that rides, on that elephant ride. Katong biking, kay mahal manungguan mo, kasi kwenta niya. Kato na lang bike itong challenge. Iikit ko lang. Biking ta. They're enjoying, guys. Look at that. Virgil, say hi! Say hi! Anabi, wave, wave! Virgil, are you okay? Are you okay? Okay, good. Malin, mahal kayong katungkuhan, 19. 1940. Nabayran. Mo gani, ikugyahap na lang. Sige sa app. Ang apins, brato pang apins. Bara, di mo, ito tuyo din no, mahal. Itasan din. Di ang apins, brato pang apins, kay 160 naman din, na naman na yung rice. Pia, baka napuyo. Pia, okay na ka, Pia? Pia is get that dizzy. Ano? They're enjoying. They're just the two of them there now. Right now, there are just two of them. So we're gonna try to ride the swinger. So let's see if we can do it, guys. And we are here. We're gonna ride the swinger. Swinger na siya. Swinger. So it's 50 pesos per head. So we are pila ta kabuok. May discount. I think this is my second time I ride this swinger. So we're gonna go inside. We're gonna go inside. Nakasakay na ko na sa una, Day? Also, it's my first time, guys. The one I ride before is not the same. So we're gonna ride this swinger. So I'm here now, sitting here. Oh my god, it looks scary, guys. Oh my god, I'm scared now. That's my cousin there. La 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 la. Paguan vine. Let's go, guys. It's more fun in the Philippines. Look at that, guys. Oh my god, it's very very fast right now. Okay, Rakarams. Ramsey, are you okay? Boy, Rakarams. Are you still alive? Virgil is good on that. Kasya. Ay go, magod siya. Unom ka buok iya ha. Unom ka buok iya ha. You're enjoying. Ha? Usa, pagka-usa na lang ha. One more only.
Pila po yung ito?
The smile on their faces ba? Ah, wow, very good. Wow, very good, Virgil. No more. What na? No more na. That's all na. That's enough. That's enough for now. That's enough. No more to. You have prize. Wow, you have prize. Guys. You have some prizes here. Show your prize. What's your prize? Eat ka na. Mommy, open that one. How about you, Pia? Awa, awa. Ooh. That's octopus there, octopus.
Ako pan isip.
Thank you. My cousins riding that octopus. Look at them. They're enjoying. Pasok yung tuwalya, Pia. Yeah, Let's go! Look at that, guys. Look at that. There's a lot of people there. Are you okay? Okay? Are you okay? Okay? Looks like they got dizzy. We're gonna ride this one. And Pia. Jollibee. Jill! So we're on the way home now. It's already 8:30 in the evening, so we're on the way home. So I'm gonna finish my video. So thank you so much again, guys, for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much for the love and support. God bless us all.